President Drupadi Murmu and his Serbian counterpart Alexander Vucic agreed to set a target for bilateral trade for the present 320 million euros to 1 billion euros by the end of the decade. Home Minister Amit Shah will chair a high-level meeting this evening in New Delhi to take stock of the preparedness of the Amarnath Ji Yatra. Former US President Donald Trump has been indicted on charges stemming from a federal investigation into his handling of sensitive government documents after he left the White House. India's first all-women Hajj flight successfully took off from Kozhikode to Jeddah in Saudi Arabia on Thursday. India finished on top of the International Shooting Sport Federation Junior World Cup with 15 medals, including 6 gold, 6 silver and 3 bronze medals at Seoul, Germany yesterday.